So just down at the body shop now, having a quick update with Mike, who's doing the majority of the work on the car. It's in the paint shop now. It's had quite an extensive layer of primer put over it, as you can see. All the doors are off, separately primed and sealed up. Looking good. There's a little bit of damage on the rear, caught with a little bit of rust. Mike's done that, it's all sorted, nicely cleaned off. It's yeah, ready for there's another coat of primer going on it. And yeah, the finishing coats, or some of the coats, going to go on to the final colour soon.